Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cuisines and Cures. Today I will show you how to make paneer and capsicum dish in 15 minutes. This is a very simple dish but tastes very good. So let's get started. The ingredients needed are 200 grams paneer. I've cut it into small pieces, 1 medium size onion chopped finely like this, 1 medium size capsicum that also chopped finely into small pieces, 2.5 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, soya sauce 3 tablespoons, tomato ketchup, hot and sweet I am using. This I have taken 2 tablespoons. If you are using the sweet ketchup, you have to increase the amount of chili powder you are using to the dish. I have taken here 1 teaspoon. So if you are using sweet ketchup, you add another half a teaspoon of chili powder when you are making the dish. Now let us start making the paneer dish. Take a pan, heat the pan for some time, add oil. Let the oil also heat up for some time. Add the chopped onion and cook until they turn light golden brown. Onion has started to turn nice brown in color. Now add the capsicum and saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add the chopped paneer and saute this also for 2 to 3 minutes. After frying the paneer for 2 minutes, I am adding chili powder, salt, soya sauce and hot and sweet tomato ketchup. After adding the soya sauce, do not cook the paneer too much. Just for 2 to 3 minutes, keep stirring. I have checked for seasoning. I am going to add little more of ketchup because you need to get a sweet taste. So you can adjust the amount of ketchup you are using accordingly to your taste. Now switch off the gas. Paneer and capsicum dish is ready to eat. This tastes very good with rotis and chapatis. If you like my recipe, please leave a comment below and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video.